Are you developing a sheet metal application? Optimize your application workflows thanks to Spatial software development kits. Avoid spending time developing common industry features. Save time and focus on your IP, what makes you unique. Thanks to our SDKs, you can embed industry-specific APIs in your applications. Import any part in your app with semantic and graphical PMIs. Automatically detects bends on your parts. Automatically unfold the bends to get a flat sheet. Use feature detection to detect and remove holes and cutouts. Create a bounding box to determine the size of the sheet metal blank. Orient and nest with other unfolded designs for automatic cutting. Those industry-leading companies trusted Spatial to develop their sheet metal applications. Spatial. It's more than 35 years of CAD experience, more than 400 clients in the world, and more than 1 million final users using Spatial SDKs-based applications. Let's build together your next engineering application.